Hello everyone. Today we will study about hydrogen chloride gas. Hydrogen chloride is a polar covalent compound with molecular mass of 36.5. Lavoisier named it as muriatic acid. Later in 1810, Davy gave the name hydrogen chloride. Okay. So now first occurrence. It occurs in free state in volcanic gases and in gastric juices of mammal also hydrogen chloride is present. Okay. Now method of preparation of hydrogen chloride. First we will discuss general method of preparation and then in detail lab preparation. So let's start with general method of preparation. Number 1 is by synthesis method or direct combination. Moist hydrogen combined with chlorine in the presence of diffuse sunlight condition also you should remember. Okay, moist hydrogen combined with chlorine in the presence of diffuse sunlight to give hydrogen chloride. Reaction is explosive in direct sunlight and negligible in dark. But in the presence of activated charcoal as catalyst, the reaction take place even in dark also. Then what is the role of moisture? Moisture act as a catalyst. Okay. So these point you should remember. So this is the first general method of preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. Then what is the second method? By heating metallic chloride with concentrated sulfuric acid. Hydrogen chloride gas can be obtained. Okay, like copper chloride react with sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid to form copper sulfate and hydrogen chloride gas. Okay, now lab preparation we will study in detail. Name of the reactant, method of collection, everything in detail we should discuss. So first start with reactant. How hydrogen chloride gas is prepared in lab. In lab, hydrogen chloride gas can be prepared by second method. It means by heating metallic chloride with concentrated sulfuric acid. So now which chloride is preferred? So first we should know name of the reactants. Sodium chloride and concentrated sulfuric acid are used as reactant. Now why sodium chloride is preferred? Because it is cheap. Cost is very low and easily available. That is why sodium chloride is preferred. Then why concentrated sulfuric acid is used? Because it is non-volatile, has a high boiling point. That is why it is used concentrated sulfuric acid. We cannot use concentrated nitric acid because it is volatile in nature and may vaporizes along with hydrogen chloride. So that is why which acid is preferred? Concentrated sulfuric acid. Which property? Here use of sulfuric acid, non-volatile property. Okay. Then a little bit about apparatus also you should know. Just see the apparatus consists of what? A round bottom flask. Okay. Fitted with a thistle funnel and a delivery tube. Other end of the delivery tube is dipped in washer bottle. Washer bottle contain what? Concentrated sulfuric acid. Then another delivery tube connect washer bottle and jar. Gas jar is used for the collection of gas. So this is little about apparatus. Okay. Then procedure. Okay. First place common salt, sodium chloride in flask and pour concentrated sulfuric acid through the thistle funnel and then heat the mixture gently. Why we should heat the mixture gently initially? To control the evolution of hydrogen chloride gas. Okay. So this point also heat the mixture gently. Then temperature of the reaction in the lab preparation is properly controlled at temperature less than or around 200 degrees Celsius. When sodium chloride react with concentrated sulfuric acid, it will form acid salt NaHSO4 and hydrogen chloride gas is released. If temperature is above 200 degrees Celsius, then sodium sulfate is formed, normal salt, that is sodium sulfate is formed, which form a hard crust and stick to the glass apparatus, and it will spoil it for further use because it is very difficult to remove. That is why temperature should be less or around 200 degrees Celsius. This precaution we have to take while preparing hydrogen chloride using sodium chloride and concentrated sulfuric acid. So, this is clear. Sodium chloride react with concentrated sulfuric acid, temperature is around 200, then what will be the product? Sodium bisulfate plus hydrogen chloride gas. If temperature is more than 200 degrees Celsius, then what will be the product? Is not acid salt, then normal salt will be formed, sodium sulfate and hydrogen chloride. So, lab preparation, if it is asked, which equation you will write? First equation, okay, where acid salt is formed, because in lab we will maintain the temperature around 200 degrees Celsius. Okay. So, this is clear. Hydrogen chloride gas is produced. Now, purification of hydrogen chloride gas. It is purified by passing through concentrated sulfuric acid. What is the role of concentrated sulfuric acid? It acts as drying agent and remove moisture. Okay, but it will not react with hydrogen chloride gas. That is why it is only suitable drying agent. Drying agents such as quicklime, calcium oxide and phosphorus pentaoxide cannot be used as they react with hydrogen chloride, forming respective chloride. Okay, so that is why drying agent name, what is the name of drying agent? Concentrated sulfuric acid is used. So, here just see property of sulfuric acid. Which property of sulfuric acid are used in this process? First one, non-volatile. Second one, act as a drying agent. Okay. Then next point, what you should know? Collection of gas. How this hydrogen chloride gas is collected? Hydrogen chloride gas is collected by upward displacement of air. As it is heavier than air, vapor density of hydrogen chloride is 18.25 and vapor density of air is 14.4. Okay, so it is 1.28 times heavier than air. That is why how it is collected? By the upward displacement of air. Clear this one? This is not collected. Hydrogen chloride gas is not collected over water. It is highly soluble in water. 1 volume of water dissolve 452 volume of hydrogen chloride gas. So, we cannot collect it over water. Clear? Then how to identify that this jar is full of hydrogen chloride gas? A glass rod dipped in ammonium hydroxide solution is brought near the mouth of the jar. If the jar is full, dense white fumes of ammonium chlorides are formed. That is how we can identify presence of hydrogen chloride gas, and also that this jar is completely filled with hydrogen chloride gas. Okay, and one thing more, hydrogen chloride fumes in air also as it dissolve in atmospheric water vapor. Okay, clear this one? Then one or two precaution. The lower end of the thistle funnel should be dipped in concentrated H2SO4. Otherwise, the HCl gas will escape out from the thistle funnel. This is the first precaution. Okay, this is clear. Same way, delivery tube also should be dipped in drying agent, that is again concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, so this is temperature. I have already told temperature should be maintained at what? Nearly 200 degree Celsius, not above 200 degrees Celsius. Reason I have already told. If temperature is above 200 degrees Celsius, it will form sodium sulfate, okay, which form a hard crust on glass apparatus, and wastage of fuel also, glass apparatus may crack also, but main reason is this one also. Okay, so that is how we can prepare hydrogen chloride. So this is lab preparation. Next time physical property we will discuss. Thank you.